The workflow of do while loop. Step 1. Whenever control reaches do while loop, first it enters the do block and execute the instruction. Step 2. Once the instruction in do block is completed, it checks the condition. Step 3. If the condition is true, control goes back to the block. Do block and execute the instruction. Step 4, Step 2, and Step 3 repeated until condition becomes false. Let's take some example of do while loop. Do while loop. So the first question is write a Java program to print even number using do while loop. So first we need to do block where you have to write your instructions what you want to do with your code. So I percentile 2 is equal to 0 is a condition to print the even numbers. This out print I. Why will be getting this I error? Because I is not initialized. So we create the variable of int I and it should be initialized by 2. And also we need a while block. While I should less than of 10. So you have to print until the 10. So not until the 10, but until the 10 you have to less than is equal to 10. Otherwise you will get the data less than of 10 means I less than of 9. Let's run it and see what will be getting. So we will get continuously here repeat printing the data. Why? Because of we are not writing the I plus plus. Let's add that. So we just write here. It's outside the if block I plus plus and run this program and see what will happen. So we will get the data 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We will get only the even data because the our question is write a Java program to print even numbers. How it works? It works first goes to the do block. Inside of do block, we have a condition. If I percentile 2 is equal to 0 and if it decimal by 2 you have to print system.out.println I. It will become if after printing the value it comes back to the uh, while and check the condition means if I is less than equal to 10 the first iteration it will be 1 so it goes back to again and check the second time it will be I less than equal to 10 it means I is less than equal to 10 in second time also then again goes back to the do block and execute the instruction and then again third time the 3 is less than equal to 10 so again we have to go to the do block and check and execute the instructions until the 10 is reached we will get the data until then. Let's take one more example of do while do while. So the example is print odd number. So the hit I equals to 1 in write the do block inside of do block if I percentile 2 not equal to 0 not equal to 0 sys out print I plus plus it will be traced every single time until the file I less than equal to 10. Let's run it. Yeah, we will get odd numbers. for the next time. So next one is for loop in Java. So let's take some example of for loop.